Good morning, dear children. So, we'll study about the reproduction. Now, what is reproduction? Why is reproduction necessary? And modes of reproduction. Now, what is reproduction? Reproduction is the biological process by which new organisms or young ones are produced from parents. So, it's a biological process which produces new individuals from parents. Why reproduction is necessary? The reproduction is very much essential for the continuity of various species of living organisms. If the organisms do not reproduce, its species will not be able to exist for a longer time and may soon get extinct. Hence, we can say that reproduction is necessary for the continuation of organisms generation after generations. Now, let's see the modes of reproduction. There are two modes of reproduction. That is, there are two ways by which the animals reproduce. The first one is sexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, the offspring or the young one is produced from two parents, that is, a male and a female. In asexual reproduction, the offspring is produced from a single parent, that is, from the body parts of the organisms. So, we'll study more about sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. Now, first, let us study about sexual reproduction. In class 7th, you might have studied how the plants reproduce sexually and they have male and female parts. Similarly, in animals, both male and female have reproductive parts called as reproductive organs. Now, these reproductive organs produce gametes and they fuses to form a zygote. What are gametes? Gametes are an organism's reproductive cells. The female gametes are called as eggs and male gametes are called as sperm. And when a male and female gamete fuse together, they form a zygote. Now, this zygote develops into a new individual. This type of reproduction that begins with the fusion of male and female gametes is called as sexual reproduction. The sexual reproduction is a reproduction in which a male and female gamete fuse together to form a new individual. Now, let us study more about the reproductive organs, zygote, gametes, fertilization, etc. Now, sexual reproduction. What is sexual reproduction? What does it involve? It involves male and female reproductive organs, gametes, fertilization, development of embryo, types of fertilization, viviparous and oviparous animals, young ones to adults. So, let's study more about the reproductive parts, that is, the male and female reproductive organs. The first one is the male reproductive organs. The male reproductive organs of humans include a pair of testes. These are the testes, two sperm ducts. It's also called as vas deferens and a penis. A pair of testes, or in singular, we call as testis. It produces the male gamete called as sperms, and millions of sperms are produced by the testis. And then these sperms are transferred through the sperm ducts. It's also called as vas deferens. And finally, these sperms are released through the penis. So this is about the male reproductive organ, which include a pair of testes, two sperm ducts, and a penis. Hope you all have understood this session properly. Thank you.